the dealer, y'all? It's your boy Lindo. I am the man. You do. Hey, I got a video for y'all. This ain't no trucking video, but it's part of a trucking video. I got a load to down here, and I gotta do. Well, it's not necessarily a load. Let me explain. I'm picking up a load tomorrow, but I left from another job in Fort Lauderdale, and because that load has to pick up early in the morning, I came down here tonight. But while I'm down here, I might as well explore the city. What you say about that? That's what I'm about to do. Y'all follow me. I'm about to go find something to eat. It look old down here. Key West is nothing. So yeah, I guess it's not a trucking video. It's a trucking video because I'm down here to pick up a load. I pick up a load in the morning. I'm about to go find something to eat because I'm hungry. It's not in the hotel though. Yeah, we ain't in that box. We ain't sleeping in no box truck, man. Them days are over for right now. No, I ain't sleeping no more box truck. If I go back on the road, which I probably won't, and get a higher driver, I'll be in the semi. But yeah, we about to go explore. Y'all follow me, man. You know, nice little hotel. Look at it. Yeah. Well, I'm tap in with y'all just a second. Going there, guys. Seafood. I see a restaurant say seafood, and I'm hungry. They better not charge an arm and a leg, yeah. Okay, a little restaurant location. The first restaurant got my heart though. Wahlburgers. I don't know about that. I don't want no burgers. Can't be in Key West eating burgers. A&B Lobster House. We ain't doing that. We ain't on lobster, but we're gonna look at that menu though. We're gonna look at that menu. Price is not bad though. Hello, how you doing?
Thanks.
Just me,
Just you?
one and only.
Just to let you know, happy hour is only offered in the patio bar.
Just what?
Happy hour is
Okay.
only offered in the patio bar. We don't offer happy hour inside.
Okay, that's I mean, happy hour is a good price. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, it's buy one free one in only drinks.
Oh, I'm not here for the drinks. I'm here to eat.
Okay, can you follow me?
once I just ate a calamari. Scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna say give it an 8. Good. It's good, you know. It was good. I enjoyed it. Gave it an 8 because the sauce was okay, but it was fried right. Now I ordered some black snapper, yellowtail snapper. You know, I'm being greedy, right? Hey, chilling, gotta eat. Gotta eat. All right, y'all. Say good. Oh, what's the name of that place? Seafood Company. Some seafood company. Food's decent. I'm gonna give it to them. Food was good, right? Food was good. But what I did do, I went over my budget. I just spent like $80. My budget, low key, like $10. Yup, I said it on my dinner when I'm out of town. But you know, you in Key West. How often you come to Key West? You're gonna test it out. I went over, but it's all good. Uh-oh, dogs. We cross streets on dogs. Cross streets on dogs. So I went over, but the food was good, I must say that. Now it's trying to head back to the room. The snapper was good, it's real good. I didn't even get to record me eating it, man, you know, because the thing was hitting. I like the combination of everything they had. I don't even know what it was underneath the vegetables, but that was good. I had vegetable, blackened snapper, mashed potato, yeah, some string beans and like broccoli, carrots. It was good though. Walking back to the hotel, walk the food off. Yeah. So, I think I'm lost. Slightly nervous, but I'm usually pretty good with direction. Once I go somewhere, I usually can find my way back. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Low key, I'm hoping this is a right street I turned on. I think this is it. Should be it. Oh, I got GPS though. What am I talking about, man? I got GPS worst case scenario, but more so I'm testing myself. I'm gonna walk back. Right, GPS. Worst case scenario, I use GPS. I know when I get to the light, I make a left. Right? Right. Yeah. Let's see. All right, y'all. This is. I don't think that was a street. But I see a light down here. I probably was supposed to walk down one more street. But hey, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I can't get lost. I'm going the right direction. That's what I tell myself, at least. What we gonna find? Mm-hmm. We got roaches. Flatbed. Hot shot. What you gonna do? It's a fish. I had to use a GPS. I actually took the wrong street. Then I walked way past. Check this out. My watch activates. Say, feel like you're walking. I just walked. Been walking for 15 minutes. It's good though. I ate good. Walking it off. Half a mile and change. Just chilling, man. Enjoying the day. It's a beautiful day. It's not too hot. And it's been hot all week. It's not too hot, so that's a good thing. Okay. How you doing? All right, y'all. I seen two. Ooh, who's that? It's a big lump something. Turd. Must be dog. All right, y'all. I seen two dudes holding hands. What is going on? Hey, do your thing. Each his own. Forgot where I'm at. I'm in Key West. Do your thing. Y'all leave me alone. Do your thing. That's your thing, not my thing. I got the rooster. Got the rooster. Got the rooster. Yeah. Alright. It's definitely not the way I came from, cause look. I went down this street and I made it right at that light. How I ended up, yeah, I walked all the way past, y'all. It's all good though. It's all good. I made it back with no problem. Feel good in here. Whew. Wrong, y'all. It was hot. When you come to AC, you really realize how hot outside is. It was hot. I'm about to take me a quick shower and relax for the rest of the evening. I'm gonna do some research, so I gotta do some research. But yeah, this might be the end of the video. You know what? No. I'm gonna let y'all see the load I'm picking up tomorrow. So stay. So by the time I do this little and all that, we're gonna be at tomorrow. All right. It's not tomorrow, but check this phone out though. Keep the phone up. I like it though. Hey, them young kids don't know how to use this. I promise you they don't. They don't even know how to use, them young kids don't know how to use house phone at all. I don't know what's wrong with them. My daughter the other day, she asked me how to use the house phone. How you use a house phone? Like, how you know how to use a house phone? We don't even have a house phone. But, well, I guess it was longer than the other day. This is a couple of years ago. I'm sure she still don't know how to use a house phone. But yeah. Y'all like that phone? Match my pillow with that picture. Yeah. I like the little decor they got going on in here. What's this? Okay. I see. It looks like it's small, but you know, it's a little neat. You know, a little TV mango on the angle right there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. All right. After this, it's gonna be tomorrow. Okay. Wash your hand. What's up, y'all? You know what it is. It's the next day. I told you already, man. It's the next day. So I'm up 7 o'clock. Probably don't have to reach my location by 8, 9. I'm 30 minutes away. Hotel got free breakfast at a restaurant down the street, so that's what I'm about to do. Go eat some breakfast. Honey? Ooh. This is a little different. They told me I'm going to a coffee shop down the street. I gotta walk down the street and find this coffee shop. You know, usually a hotel have the breakfast there, but it's at a coffee shop. We're gonna see what this food about. Right. I think this is it.
Hello, how you doing? I was just...
This is $9. Do you want like a croissant sandwich?
Years later.
There you go, y'all. There you go. It's all hazmat. All hazmat. See that? Don't worry about that box right there. We're gonna get that box right. But it's all hazmat. That's what we picked up. From the airport. Key West Airport at that. Look at this view though. Look at the view. Small airport. It's the airport. This is it. This is it. Right across from the beach. My man over there on the jet skis. Check him out now. We see you. We see you. All right, guys, that is it for Key West. I will be back. I definitely had a blast. Key West is definitely different. It's an island. It's definitely an island vibe down there. Even though it's a part of America, it gives me the vibe of like being on an island, which it is an island. I had fun. Definitely ate good. My lunch, as you just saw that lunch right there, nice little spot I stopped. We got some lunch. I enjoyed the food. The food I ate yesterday was good. Everything was good. Shout out to Key West. Man, this bridge right here, man, they have a 7-mile bridge. This bridge is like long as heck. Either way, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. It's your boy Orlando.